Sabadi, my name is Gwaan. We are welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make a Laos special food. It's called chicken Laap. Okay. First of all, we have to get a chicken. You can use the chicken from the chicken breast like this. You cut small piece like this. Be careful with the finger. You like to check to do like this. It's still got big piece in here. You do it more, okay? So it's done. And after that, we have to put on here. We don't need a cooking oil or cooking with a pan or something. You need to stir them because you're cooking with boiling water. Stir like this. It's to make the chicken get moist. It's about 3 minutes. Make sure the chicken smell good and cook, and that's it. Not just how long for, just 5 minutes too hot. Just leave them like this. That's it. Don't need too long. Okay. We have some stuff we need. It's lime juice. We need squeeze lime juice in there. Or if you have lemon juice, you can put lemon. In your kitchen, you have some spring onion leaf, or spring onion chunk. You can put the spring onion chunk. Okay. Now we put the chard. You like the big chunk, you cut the big chunk. You like small piece, you slice small piece. Okay. First of all, that you put this. This is lemongrass. I'm looking for good one. That one is good, but we need more. Yes. Now we have about 3 pieces of lemongrass, and just slice this. If you like more, put more. But if you put too much, it is strong smell. Like that. So this. I forget the name, okay? But just remember this leaf, okay? But they're very good for put on the curry or tom yum soup, okay? But a little bit we need to put in the Laab, okay? Not big deal. If you didn't have in your kitchen or in your home, you don't need. But you have, you just slide a little bit. And then, because this is cool down already, you don't put lime juice when they're hot. You put when they cool down a little bit. When they're hot, you put a lime juice, they're bitter. Okay, squeeze like it. Depends. Then you like sour. Put like this, stir together. And this is very important. If you like to make a Laab, you should know how to make this first. This is made by sticky rice. They call rice powder. Sticky rice like this, and then put in the wok and cook and in the medium heat and stir. Leave in the brown color, but stir often. You don't leave the cook and normal because they stuck. And then after that brown color, you leave the cool and you blend. Or you don't have a blend, you just break them. You make like it's like a sand like this. But you put in the Laab, it's more tasty. You need that when you make a Laab. For one person, you need 1.5 spoon or 2 spoon table. See, if you put the rice powder, make Laab smell gorgeous and more tasty. But okay, if you like more, you can put more. Because normally we not decide put the customer. You add. We put the salt in the water already, boiling. No pepper. Be careful because we have rice powder. Okay. But right now, and then, this mint or peppermint. You very need it. This is peppermint. This is mint. We put both together because make a Laab smell gorgeous, and mint make you smell lovely about mint. Depend the person who like more mint. Now today I got a lot mint and peppermint. I can put for him more. And then I have spring onion leaf. This is we talk about spring onion leaf. It's and this another leaf from the garden. What they call in England? And you see before, not in England. But it's very good for put on the lap, smell, or put on the soup. If you have coriander at home or at the garden, in the garden you can put coriander too for lap. But some people they don't like this. Right away is so it's a lap ready. You take the time to make the laps about 10 to 15 minutes long here. If you have everything in your kitchen or in your fridge. If you didn't have, you have to prepare that before you cooking. Yes. Lap ready. Normally some place they don't serve a sticky rice warmer. They serve the cold one. You don't need the cold one because you need to warm up about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Not too long. It's cooking. It's not too difficult if you love cooking. If you don't love cooking, probably take a time or too difficult for you. It's, don't forget chili. When you serve on the table, you need the chili and salt. If they like more salt, they put the salt. Don't put too much salt in here, just a little bit. Enjoy your life.